हमने जो रिलेशंस एक्सप्लेन किया था, इट इज फ्रॉम ए सेट ए टू सेट बी। एक सेट ए में ए से सेट बी की ओर था। अभी हम डिफाइन करने जा रहे हैं सेट ए से सेट ए में ही है, मतलब सेट ए टू सेट ए, दैट मीन्स फ्रॉम सेट ए टू इटसेल्फ। नाउ द डेफिनेशन इज let A be a non-empty set, then the set R is said to be a relation on a set A if R is a subset of A cross A. R is a subset of not A cross B, but R is a subset of A cross A. मतलब A cross A का subset होना चाहिए। मतलब A cross B यहाँ पे तो है नहीं है, इसलिए R should be, R क्या होना चाहिए? A cross A का subset होना चाहिए। Now an example I am giving you. मैं एक example देने जा रहा हूँ. Consider a set A 2, 4, 5, 6. Define R, a relation R is equal to AB such that 2A is equal to B, where AB belongs to capital A. Write the number of all possible relations. Now you see, this is only, there is only one set A, and the relation defined is A comma B such that 2A is equal to B, but here both A and B belongs to A. Okay, now let us come to the answers. A is equal to the set A is equal to 2, 4, 5, 6. Now you have to write A cross A. What is A cross A? 2 comma 2, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 6, so 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6, then 5 comma, इस तरीके से सारे ऑर्डर पे लिख के लास्ट में आएगा 6 comma 6. How many members will be there? कितना members होगा? It will be 4 into 4 will be 16 members. Now according to the question, ATQ means according to questions. According to question, what is the relation? The relation capital R is equal to A comma B is given 2A is equal to B. 2A is equal to B. Accordingly, what are the only possible member? It is only 2 comma 4. You can see 2 comma 4. A stands for 2, B stands for 4. That means 2 into 2 is equal to 4. That only relation is 2, 4. इस तरीके की इस रिलेशन में आपको एक ही मेंबर मिलेगा, वो 2, 4 है. And that's a singleton set. एक ही मेंबर है, so it's a singleton set, and it belongs to A cross A. That means it's a subset, so it's a relation from set A to A. So इधर कितना है number of possible relations? 2 raised to 4 into 4, which is 2 raised to 16.